Screen?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Good evening, everyone. I wanted to thank you all for joining us today. Hope everybody's doing well. Here at Business Besties, we have a corporate responsibility that we want to cover, but we also like to throw a few examples out from some other companies that have done it really well, that have put some great strategies in place, and have also made a difference not only within their company, but also within their environment. So today, just want to kind of cover a few of the different companies, what they've done, as well as the results of these programs, as well as just kind of go through a few conclusion points, few takeaways. So here at Business Besties, our main priority is our people, our employees, to where we want to make sure that everybody feels welcomed because it turns around and gives a much more inclusive environment, much more productive and profitable environment, as well as just showing the world how we handle business within our company. So today, a few things to cover. We've got Digital Realty's approach to investing in professional development, which Sergey is going to cover. We've got the New Silicon Initiative by Apple, which I'll cover. And then we'll also have the Supplier Diversity Program by Microsoft that will be covered by Saul. So to start us off, I'll turn everything over to Sergey here.
Thank you, Aaron. Well, let's talk about our competitors and the folks who can we learn. It's a digital realty. About the company, the digital realty operates on a global scale. It's offering data centers, collocation, and interaction solutions that empower businesses and people around the world to allow them grow and innovate. As you can see from description, we see that the company, Digital Realty, investing in their people heavily, especially in communications, because it's company about the communication data centers. Couple words about the program itself. I mean, overview of them. According to Digital Realty, they offers extensive programs designed to help their employees enhance their skills and advance their careers. Well, those programs are not just initiatives, but integral part of organization and their cultures. We're talking about personal approach as well as group approach for lower scale employees, and results from the research and from the study reports, again from the Digital Realty, they show that 82% of the employees of Digital Realty, they somehow happy with those initiatives, with those programs. However, 18% they still saying that they would like to see more in-depth personal approach, especially higher level management. They would like to see more mentorship programs where they can talk with people who can bring them up to speed with the modern solutions, because we're talking about global scale program company. I'm sorry. So I think we have a lot to learn from Digital Realty and improve our company based on their work. This is it for the Digital Realty.
Awesome, lots to learn. Really appreciate you giving your expertise here. So I'll touch on a little known company called Apple here. So a big thing that they've done over the last few years is using what they call the New Silicon Initiative to work with HBCUs, which is, as you see, historically black colleges and universities. On Apple's website, they throw a couple details out where this NSI ended up starting in 2018 as a partnership. 4 big schools, Alabama A&M, Prairie View A&M, Morgan State, and Howard University, just to be able to throw out some grants, some supports, and some hands-on demonstration from people that are directly from Apple. So these students are learning directly from the source. And then also, of course, in typical Apple fashion, one more thing. Each session is given a $15,000 merit-based scholarship that goes for a 12-week summer internship, again, taught by Apple employees directly, so learning straight from the source. And this is within the Thurgood Marshall College Fund here. And so that very well covers that. initiative by Apple, and then Saul to tell us about Microsoft.
Thank you, Aaron. So, Microsoft Supplier Diversity Program started around like 5 years ago. They started doing. It aims to increase business opportunities for minority-owned, women-owned, veteran-owned, and also like cultural-owned businesses like Hispanic culture, the Hispanic community, all that sorts of nature. Um, by committing to supplier diversity, Microsoft not only supports the unrepresented businesses owners, but also enriches their supply chain by diverse perspectives and innovation. The supplier diversity program addresses economic inequity, supports the growth of diversity businesses. The initiative for the beneficial for both Microsoft and border communities is to significantly impact Microsoft by tracking long-term success suppliers, provide additional support and resources to help them scale their business. Um, I Hopefully we can implement this business besties. Um, it will promote their culture is critical for fostering a work environment for all employees feel valued, supported. The community that hopefully the employees feel engaged, innovated, and overall organized performance. So the workplace is not just a moral imperative, but also a strategic advantage for today's competitive business landscape. So that's all I got here.
Awesome. Appreciate that, Saul. Microsoft has a great program going right here, so there's definitely a handful of things that we can aim to implement here at Business Besties to better our company. So on Forbes here, we did find this infographic showing that happier employees tend to be 12% more productive, while unhappy employees are 10% less productive. So we definitely want to make sure that everybody feels included. I know that diversity and inclusion is a huge topic right now, so that's definitely something that we want to focus on here at Business Besties. Also notated in the Journal of Business Ethics, there's a handful of excellent points for the business side. So obviously every business is in business to make money. So showing that happy employees lead to a 4.1 times revenue growth, a 756% gain of net income, as well as a 15 times return on investment. So there's a lot of huge reasons to implement a lot of these cultures that were shared today. So as we move forward, I definitely want to commit and work together to implement all of these strategies within our company of Business Besties. Since we're investing, it's not just securing the future, but we're also setting the stage for unprecedented growth and success. So I really appreciate all you guys for coming. I'm looking forward to hearing thoughts and ideas of how you think that we can improve our company, as well as just general questions and any sort of clarifications that we can touch on to help your understanding. Really appreciate you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you for talking.